Good morning, y'all. My name is Dave, and I just had my home remodeled by Mustafa and DC Home Remodeling. I tell you what, he did a fantastic job. Look at this gorgeous deck that he just did for me. Brand new stairs, a double-decker deck, the gorgeous windows that I can see out when I'm in my house and cooking. You know, when in the summer when I want to have parties or just come out here and relax, so this is the place that I spend most of my time. Read a good book and just enjoy the view and the friends that I have come over, and that would not be possible without Mustafa and DC Home Remodeling. He is on point, he is professional, he is courteous, he is kind, and he was with me every step of the way to make sure that my dream come true. And I want to say thank you to Mustafa, and I highly recommend y'all go talk to Mustafa and the DC Home Remodeling, and you can make your dream come true.